find myself in last place when I wanna be first, because I wanna move forward but I'm stuck in reverse. I keep on winding the clock, but it only gets worse, and it hurts, and it hurts, and it hurts. I thought I knew the whole thing, but I was wrong the whole time. I kept on losing my place, cause I was stuck in rewind instead of leading the path. I find I'm falling behind, but I was blind, I was blind, I was blind.
Semoga keluarga kamu dan keluarga aku bisa menyatu.
I can't change the past, and now I'm traveling forward, facing the facts with the wind in my